Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a restaurant on the Klook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the home button down below and then click on food and dining. After that, you should select your destination. Here you can find the recommendations. Tap on the relevant one that you are interested in. And here you can find deals, cuisines and more. Here you can find what are you craving today. So you can select one of these options. And then you will be able to select Italian restaurants in Hong Kong, for example, but you can change the cuisine at the top. And the locations can be set too. And here you can find all of the relevant options, so tap on it and check it out. And here you can see the package deals to the menus, reviews and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.